Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is fun and light and breezy and a wonderful die cut trick for a fold of the week classic, the accordion fold. So this is simple and clever. This is from my good friends at CIM Marketing Partners in Las Vegas, Nevada. This was produced for client Canyon Ridge Christian Church, and it is a brochure, a classic kind of 4x9 format, great for a number 10 envelope, great for a literature holder. But you'll see here on the cover, there's this really neat little layered die cut with shifting squares. And so it provides a lot of depth and focus on that center image. But what I love is this is really just a classic 4-panel accordion fold. And so what's neat here is that they've got one large square on the cover, it's straight, and then the next two are at the same angle. One is a little larger than the other, but they're actually at the same angle. And the reason that they twist is that the one panel's going one way and the other one is going the other way when you fold it down. And so that's why you get the shift in the direction. So it's kind of a little brain teaser that you can open it and have them at the same angle, close them and have them shift. But I love this. You could also do kind of a perfectly straight matte effect where they were all three, big, smaller, smallest, and frame an image as well. But I love this twist effect. These are about an 80 to 100 pound coated cover, die, score, fold, just so fun and clever and a great little twist on a classic basic format, the 4-panel accordion. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week, accordion fold with layered die cut. Forward this to your friends and colleagues, keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for fold samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.